Are you really excited? Today is January 1st, 2019, and we went to American Girl, and it is the release of Blaire Wilson. And guess what? We got her too! You want to take a look at her? Here she is. So if you saw our store report, you would know what she looks like at the store. And this is what she looks like in her box. She is the Girl of the Year 2019, Blaire Wilson. And be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And also give us a big thumbs up if you like the Girl of the Year 2019, Blaire Wilson. And over here, we have a few cool stuff. You want to take a look? This is the second book of Blaire, and it's Blaire Cooks Up a Plan. We got this free book because of Passport offer. It looks really cool. I can't wait to read it. And on the bottom of it, here we have two aprons. One is Wyandotte and one is mine. It looks really pretty, isn't it? Take a look at all the flowers. It has Velcro on the back too. And the last two items over here are Girl of the Year, Blaire's hand lettering. How to learn the craft of hand lettering and create your own work of art. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. Whoa! I don't know that this was a book. Uppercase script alphabet. Use uppercase script letters and stuff. And this is teaching you how to write the letters in different ways. And over here we have a few stickers. And stickers. These are really cool, but still I can't wait to take a look at Blaire Wilson. Let's get her out of the box. Just before we opened it, I want to show you some differences on the box. So this box here is different because in Louisiana it was like space decor and everything. But this one has a lot of flowers. Let me bring it closer. Look, it's light blue, and if you can see really close, there's little flowers. And the Girl of the Year 2019 thing, the circle is pink instead of purple. The font is Blaire Wilson. At the side here, it's American Girl. It's red. And the other side is the same too. There's also some differences in the doll, like how they're packaged. Let me remove the book. Here she is. So if you take a really close look at her neck, you can see that it's like plastic and smooth. So you have to cut it or something? I don't know. But let me turn it to the back and show you. That's weird. At the bottom here, there's also zip ties too. So these zip ties are for her hands and her legs. So you need to cut them and then you can get her out. And on the side here, there's her hair clip and bracelet. So are you excited? I am. Let's get Blaire Wilson out. And here we have Blaire Wilson out of the box. Isn't she beautiful? Take a look. So do you want to take a look at her facial features? Here they come. Hi! I'm so excited to meet you. I'm Blaire Wilson. Who are you? I'm Kifei, and I'm your new owner. You want to take a look at your face? Sure. I want to see what color of eyes do I have in here. And this is what her face looks like. She has light skin tone, and this is the Josefina mold. Look, she has green eyes, but not hazel because they're like straight lines and there's no dots and studs. She reminds me of Rebecca, doesn't she? Comment down below if you think she looks like Rebecca. And take a look, her hair is red. It's so pretty, and it's still on the hairnet. We're going to take it off and show you later. And now it's time to take a look at her body. And this is what her me outfit looks like. It's a really pretty white dress. Ooh, it feels a little thin though. And her body fabric is also thin too. Let me turn it to the back and you can see if she has strings or not. Oh, look, it's zip ties. And then also, her outfit is white and there's a bow here. And I think there's a really pretty design like over here and here. Maybe that's a style of making a dress. And then it has a lot of pretty patterned beads. I think the beads are so cute. And on the bottom here, if you can see, there's tiny little buttons. I think there's 4 of them, and they're yellow. Let me lift up it. So over here is what her underwear looks like. They changed it to a light pink. I didn't know that. It's supposed to be a darker pink, and kind of shows into her body. In her me outfit, there are also her shoes. So here's a look. They look like sandals and they're purple strap. Let me turn to the side to show you the pretty silver buckle here. There's also Velcro right next to it, so you can open it up and put it on her feet easily. And then over here, you can see there's a little arc. It's also plastic. So right next to her, we have some accessories that came in her box. This is her bracelet, and it's yellow, and it's really pretty. Do you see the bow? Ooh, I like that bow. It reminds me on the top of her dress. And over here at the back, there's also Velcro, so you can open it up and then put it on her wrist. We're going to do that shortly. And then next to it, we also have a hair accessory. It's really beautiful. Look, it's pink and satiny, and over here is purple. And over here is a metal. Yeah, it is. And then you can clip it onto her hair. But we have to do that after we take off her hairnet. So these items are so cool. Let's get off her hairnet. Are you excited to meet her pretty locks? I definitely am. So let's get off the hairnet. And I wonder if there's a pretty hairstyle. I think I saw there was a braid. Do you see her red hair? They're kind of glossy. I really like the name Blaire Wilson. It matches her. And here she is. The hairnet is off. Let me turn her to the back so you can take a look at her really pretty, luxurious locks. Look, it's all dark red. And then it's also really smooth and glossy. And the lock is also really pretty. You want to take a look at the hairstyle? It's a really pretty one. Ta-da! It's braids! I think it's a special type of braid. Let me tip it back. It's like braided into her hair. Not like they're swinging everywhere. I think it's really pretty. Oh, are you excited to meet my locks? I really am. I think they look really pretty. I'll see them in a mirror. Well, anyway, to make myself really pretty, I'm going to use this pretty hair clip. I'm putting it on. And then I'm also going to put on my bracelet right over here. I'll put it on my wrist right here. And then I think it's something you didn't see. On my eyes, they're feather eyebrows. And they're red too, like my hair. And time to put on my hair clip and bracelet. I did look in the mirror. I was pretty. I love my luxurious locks. So I put on my little hair clip and my bracelet. Wanna see? Here's a look at the side. This is what my hair clip looks like. Isn't it pretty? I think it looks really adorable. And it kind of matches the bees on my outfit. And then, let me lift up my hand. Right over here is the bow. It looks really pretty. Whoa, I love my yellow bracelet. I think it matches the bees and buttons. And there's one last thing. Before we say goodbye, here's a look at my outfit with the apron on. I'm all ready for work, am I? I think those flowers look really pretty, and they match those little bees. Like the bees that wants to have some pollen. And also, if you want to see at the side here, there's also American Girl. Right there. It's not plastic, it's all printed on. And over here's the plastic American Girl. Oh, it was so fun meeting you. I'm really excited to see if I have any other items that I could use. Like maybe my family market. So if you want to see those videos, stay tuned. And also comment down below, do you like Blaire Wilson? Is she pretty enough for you? I think she is. She's adorable and awesome looking. I think her red locks looks awesome. I can't resist taking a look at them again. Aren't they beautiful? I like the braid design here. I think that's in the hair salon. And also, be sure to subscribe. Give us a like too.